taas, bawal makatok balance.
14th Washburn Street.
Alright, time check. It's 45. Almost 1 hour din pala. At ito, narating na kami sa Bira-Bira Falls. Medyo mahirap. Tatanong si Tatay, August! Woo! Yeah! Lalim!
It's a cool hard wind outside my window. Ooh, where people don't know which way to go. I'm really waiting 'cause you sensed it on my pillow. I stay home with you in my head. We gonna cover, gonna be alive. We're up for night and day. Come on, let me hear you say it's gonna cover, gonna be alive. Don't want the games they play. Is that a song we better stay?
Makasama natin sila, palipad ng drone, si Idol Francis. At tayo ay, yun oh, ganda oh. Ayan oh, Bira-Bira Falls. Oh yeah, astig. Panalo, malalim yung part na to. Mga lampas tao, mga siguro 10 to 12 feet lalim niya. May talunan siya. May talunan doon, pwede kang tumalon. Si Tatay kanina tumalon. Tapos doon, pwede kang magpaagos ng tubig doon. Massage ba, massage. At ayan, sobrang ganda, sobrang astig. At ang kagandahan dito, napakalinaw ng tubig. Pero dapat, pagpapasyal kayo dito, leave no trace po para mapanatilihan po natin na malinis yung lugar at napangalagaan. Para kung may mga pupunta pang iba, ay ma-preserve natin kagandahan ng itong Bira-Bira Falls. No?
I don't want the games they play. It's not a song we better stay.